Now I'm going to walk you through ordering a custom Giclee print from our website, whether it be paper or canvas. The first thing you will probably want to do is log in or create a login if you don't have one already, and then go to your account and put in your shipping information so that's ready for you. Once you've done that, you can begin ordering a print. You don't have to do that before, but it's a good idea. Here you'll see the Custom Giclee print page, and what we have here is a calculator. And you're going to put in the size of your print, the type of paper that you want, any margin, if any. If you're using canvas, you'll select UV coating, either a gloss or a matte, and stretching, whether or not you're going to want stretching on 3/4 inch bars or medium bars, etc. So the first thing that we're going to do here is select our size. I know that I want some prints that are going to be 8 by 12 inches. I want no margin on them because my particular image already has white space around it. I think I'm going to be using this image right here, which already has enough white around it. So the next thing I'm going to do is select my paper. I want a nice rag paper, so I'm going to use the Canson Vellon Museum rag. And select it there. Now you see that my prints are going to be $10 each if I buy 1 through 3. If I buy a quantity of 4 or to 10 or more, or from 4 to 10, I get a price of $9. 11 to 20, I get $9, and 20 or plus, I get a price of $8. I think I really only want 10 prints of this. I think that will be enough. So down here, I'm going to select volume 10, and you can see now I have a price of $90. Here we need to put in the file name that I'm going to use when I upload my file. Once I'm done with this process, I'll be able to upload a file here. So here we're going to put in the name of the file and or description. This lets us know which file goes to which print instruction if you're ordering more than one, and we have a number of files uploaded to your folder. We'll know which file goes with which order. So what I'm going to do here is save my file. I have my raw file here as a TIFF file. I'm going to save this as a JPEG for printing. You don't have to, but it's faster to upload. So what I'm going to do here is first I'm going to look at the file information and make sure that my file is in fact 8 inches by 12 inches. Right now it's at a resolution of 300 dpi. It really doesn't need to be that high. Our print files, we normally recommend that you have a resolution of 300 pixels per inch at the size that you want to print. Any more than that, then the printer will just throw it away anyway. So I've done that, and I'm going to save it now to my desktop so it's ready to upload. And I'm going to call this Rat Race 8 by 12. I'm going to select JPEG as my file format, and I'm going to be careful whether it be TIFF or JPEG to embed the color profile that I'm using. So I've got Rat Race 8 by 12. I'm going to save that to my desktop, and I'm going to save it the highest quality possible because I am printing, so I don't want any compression on that. So slide this to the maximum if you're using Photoshop, or if you're using a similar graphic editing software, also export it as maximum if you're using JPEG. I can see the size that it's going to be here with the preview. It's going to be 2.8 megabytes, and I save it. Now here I'm going to put the name of the file that I just saved that as, Rat Race 8 by 12 JPEG, and I'm going to save this to my shopping cart. Now you see I have the opportunity to upload my file, and what I'm I'm going to do is find my file on the desktop, and I'm just going to drag it onto the web page there. And my file has been uploaded. Yay. And I'm ready to proceed to my shopping cart. If I go to the shopping cart now, I'll see that I've got a Custom Giclee print at $9 each with a width of 8 by 12. I've got a quantity of 10, $90. Here I can select whether I'm going to have local pickup, in which case I don't have to pay for shipping, or whether I'm going to have it shipped somewhere, and I'll select my shipping method, whether it be UPS, second day, or 3-day, or ground, etc. And I'll proceed to checkout, and I'm ready to go. Here, of course, we're going to have to put in our billing and shipping details if we haven't already before in the previous steps. And we can either pay by credit card online, or if you're local and you're going to be picking up, you can just say pay at pickup, and you won't have to put in your credit card information. You can give us your card or cash when you come to pick it up. That is all there is to using this to order. Thanks.